Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Varo Bank. Varo Bank is a mobile-first banking platform aiming to provide modern banking services without the fees and restrictions of traditional banks. Their target audience is primarily tech-savvy individuals and those looking for a more convenient and affordable banking experience. Key features include checking and savings accounts, debit cards, early direct deposit, and no-fee ATM access. Their website provides details on all their services and features. Varo emphasizes ease of use, transparency with no hidden fees and no monthly account maintenance charges, and accessibility through their mobile app. They highlight their focus on financial health, offering tools for budgeting and saving. Availability is limited to US residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Varo Bank. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I downloaded the app, signed up using my email, and verified my identity. The whole process took about 10 minutes. The app interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating between accounts, viewing transactions, and transferring money was a breeze. I particularly like the Savings Goals feature, which allows you to set specific savings targets and track your progress. Performance-wise, the app has been consistently reliable. Transactions are processed quickly, and I've never experienced any glitches or downtime. I did have a quick question about transferring money from an external account, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to deposit checks using the app's mobile check deposit feature. The standout feature for me was definitely the early direct deposit. Getting paid up to 2 days early was a game changer. One minor drawback was the limited number of physical branches, but since most of my banking is done online, this wasn't a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Varo Bank. It provides a modern and convenient banking experience with no hidden fees. That's my overview of Varo Bank. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.